Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir from grains. Making your own homemade kefir is a simple and rewarding process that provides a delicious, probiotic-rich drink. You will learn about the essential ingredients, the step-by-step fermentation process, and how to care for your precious kefir grains. Get ready to transform ordinary milk into an extraordinary health beverage with just a few easy steps. To begin, gently combine about 1 tablespoon of active kefir grains with 2 cups of fresh milk in a clean glass jar. Do not seal the jar tightly. Instead, cover it loosely with a breathable cloth or coffee filter secured with a rubber band. This allows air circulation while keeping contaminants out. Let this mixture sit at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 24 hours. After approximately 24 hours, your kefir should be ready. You will notice the milk has thickened and may have separated slightly. Carefully pour the entire contents of the jar through a non-metal sieve into another clean container. The creamy liquid that passes through is your delicious, homemade kefir, ready to drink or refrigerate. The kefir grains will remain in the sieve, prepared for their next batch. Once you have separated your kefir, immediately place the grains into fresh milk to start a new fermentation cycle. If you need a break, store the grains in a small amount of milk in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Remember, your grains are living organisms and will multiply over time, allowing you to share them with friends or increase your kefir production. Enjoy your continuous supply of fresh, homemade kefir.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.